Okay, just arrived. New model Land Rover Range Rover Sport, and if you follow what we do on social media, you'll know that we sell a lot of these types of cars very, very quickly because we tend to buy ones that are a little bit different, like this. The colour combination will sell this car on a 23. This is a D300 Range Rover Sport SE. It looks fantastic, but it's very special. Charente Grey, and the interior colour is extremely rare because it's a colour called Caraway. Most of these cars you'll see in the marketplace are black interior or cloud interior. That's like the white grey colour. But look at this one. This Caraway interior, it's like a caramel colour. It actually looks better in person than it does on the video. It's beautiful. Could it be called baseball interior? It's quite a common word to be used for these. But this car is fantastic. It's a 2023-23. It's 300 horsepower. It comes with air suspension and all the usual Land Rover Range Rover Sport refinements with options. Now this car's got a sliding roof. The colour, like I say, is Charente Grey. Now that's like a bronzy grey colour. It's beautiful, it really is. 22-inch wheels. Now these are the SV Bespoke wheels. They're actually a bi-colour wheel, believe it or not. Polished and satin, they're an upgrade. Fixed side steps, they're an upgrade. Black roof, black mirrors, that's an upgrade. This car has heated front and rear seats. It has lots of practical space. Meridian sound system, electric memory seats, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, 360 camera system, everything you'd want on a four-wheel drive. The performance is exceptional at 300 brake horsepower, great on fuel, and really for a modern four-wheel drive, for me at the moment in the market, there isn't a better one to buy for value for money, exterior looks, and everything that comes with owning a car like this. It's fantastic. If you're looking at this video and you're interested in the car, then my number's on the screen. You've got to call me straight away because we are pricing this car in the market to sell it, and it is the combination of the colours which makes it stand out from anything else. So what do you get with this car? You get two keys, you get a car that will come fully prepared for you. It's got manufacturer's warranty until 2026. If you've ever jumped in one of these new sports, you will know that, or you won't know that, they come really as standard now from Land Rover with so much. From the front, you've got the matrix lights. This one's got the black badges. This lovely new style grille, which is almost in like a dark chrome effect on this particular car. Black inserts into the bumper, black bottom sections, black bonnet inserts, black wing inserts. Now, you get keyless entry with a little button on there. It obviously is open and running, this car, but if you want to open the door keylessly, you can, pressing that button. And then into the door, the leather finishes are there, aren't they? And the finishes are great throughout this car. Memory seats, 3-stage, Meridian sound system. And then, I mean, look, the seats are perforated, the finishes are beautiful. You get the comfort headrest, the opening roof, black roof lining. And then jump in, I'll show you some of the other features. So digital cockpit, which is switchable. Heated steering wheel, an adaptive cruise. Two-tone steering, which I really like. So you've got the centre in Caraway, the Caraway dash, black top dash. So it all breaks up nicely. Touchscreen infotainment, you've got this big touchscreen which gives you everything you could use. Mobile phone integration, wireless phone charging just underneath the screen here. You've got wireless smartphone integration. You've got reverse camera, top view camera, 3D camera. So, you know, everything about this car is first class. Air suspension, different drive modes, comfort, drive height, plus the practical things like the fuel efficiency, but really, with the options of the 22s, the sliding roof and the colour combination, this is a rare car. It's rare because of that, but also the price point we are advertising at is fantastic. We're also the best used car retailer in the UK to buy one of these cars from, so give us a call. Thanks for watching.